Hello, my friends. It is time for me to share with you this month's Stamp and Die Hard Club set. And I will be honest, it is adorable. Can you say that again? Yes, it is adorable. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. It is called Ice Cream Cuties. And let me tell you, it is all so cute. I love these little guys. So now you're getting ice cream cones and ice cream in a dish. Now let's look at all of these, or in a cup. Let's look at these. First, you're getting a little kitty cat. Then you're getting the fun little bear. Then you're getting the koala, because I know we all love our koalas, right? You're getting little extra sprinkles to add on top. You're getting a mini koala for the back of your cards. Treat yourself. You make life so sweet. And what's the scoop? What's the scoop? Now, my friends, if you're in the Stamp Club and you're anything like me, you're saying, Stephanie, I love the Stamp Club, but obviously I'm not just in the Stamp Club because I am not going to fuzzy, and we all know it's called fuzzy, not fussy, right? I'm not going to fuzzy cut any of those. That's why we have, ding, 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 the Die Hard Club. It's the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match. Now, when I did the dies on this one, I did the inside, of course, and the shadow die. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You are getting 11 dies in this set. Cute little sprinkles if you want to add those sprinkles. And let me just tell you, they are so adorable, right? Now, of course, I have tons of samples to share with you. Also, you need to go to our website and check out the add-on items. Once the stencils to the add-on are gone, they're gone forever. So go get those ASAP. But here we go. You get a handy dandy postcard that shows you some ideas. But also it shows you, and this is really like your recipe card. I should probably start calling it that because it also shows you the other items that are in the collection, which is kind of important, especially if you're madly, deeply in love with the club set. You're going to want to get the add-on items so you have the entire collection. So for example, it shows the club items on here. Then it shows the add-on stamps and dies. Then it shows the word stamps. Then it shows the folded that matches, which you guys are going to freak out when you see that. And it shows you the stencils. Now, the stencils are always very, very limited. Once they're gone, they are gone for good. The other items we do try to keep in stock for a little while, but the first 24 hours they're on our website, not the club items, but the add-on items are on flash sale. So go check those out. Now, let's jump in and look at all these amazing samples. So here we go. Look at that cute little kitty cat. I love it. Now, a lot of times people will say, Stephanie, what's the difference between the inside die and the shadow die? Well, let's zoom in really close here, and I want to show you. So on this one, and I do notice it has white behind it, but it is cut exactly on that stamped line, right? But this one is cut using the shadow die. Some people like to have the shadow all the way around their stamped images. Some people prefer to have it cut right on that line. Guess what, my loves? We give you both options. You get both options in all of our Stamp and Die Hard Club kits because that's very important. I want to make the people that want to die cut on the stamped image happy, and I want to make the shadow people happy. And in all, what's really funny is sometimes you'll do both. These are both done by Melissa differently. Isn't that awesome? Now let's jump in. Let's look at more. Here's a cute one from Sheila. Look how cute that is. Decorate the background, right? All of those stamps are in the collection. Here's a cute little koala on our happy birthday step up. Isn't that so adorable? I absolutely love that. Oh, you can go as simple as this. Isn't that fun? I just love that little bear all decorated. And again, if you are not a coloring human, which I understand, there's some of us that love coloring. There are some of us that like coloring. That's me. And there's some of us that do not do coloring no matter what. Well, guess what? I have stencils. So for any of those three groups of people, I got you covered, right? Yes, you can only do pens. Yes, you can do both. Yes, you can do no pens with the stencils. It's amazing. Here we go. Here's another cute one with the sprinkles background. How appropriate. I know a lot of you already have that sprinkles background, but look at how perfect. I want you to go get it out and use it with this set. Absolutely adorable. Here's another one with our leaf background. So appropriate because of the koala. Remember those leaves? I love that. Now, my friends, Those of you that are in the Stamp and Die Hard Club, you get to sit back, relax, and know these are already on their way to you. The add-on items you need to go to the website and check out to make sure you fulfill all of your collection. But the Stamp and Die Hard from the club are shipped to you automatically on the 1st of every month. Ken gets up extra early to get those in the mail. Now, go check out the next video because the add-on items, again, the first 24 hours they're on the website, they're on flash sale. Pretty amazing. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.